I'm Karyn Gilfillan. I'm here at Gilfillan's Cafe in Caddons. Today I'm going to show you how to make the breakfast tradie sandwich using the Helga's traditional white loaf. So our first step is to get our deep fryer nice and hot and ready. So I'm just going to pour in some of the Crisco vegetable oil. So we're going to get our grill nice and hot, spray some golden canola, and then the next step is just placing your meat onto the grill. So just when you're cooking your bacon, just cook it how you like it. Same with your eggs, whether you like your eggs soft, over easy or hard. So now we're just going to cook our hash brown. So once all your ingredients are cooked, what we need to do now is just cut your sausages up so it fits on the piece of bread nicely. Put our bottom piece of bread on, put on our sausages, then our bacon, our hash brown, and then we're going to put our egg on. So the next step is just spreading on your tomato sauce, pop on the lid and your sandwich is done. And there you have it, our breakfast tradie sandwich, one of my personal favourites.